Hi guys, today I will review on Aiapply in 2025. Let's get started with the video. Make sure to watch till the end so you don't miss any important information. Aiapply, a growing AI-powered platform designed to simplify and supercharge your job hunt. At its core, Aiapply helps users create customized, role-specific resumes and cover letters using GPT-powered tools. Just upload your base resume, paste in a job description, and within seconds, it generates a tailored resume and cover letter designed to beat the bots and impress recruiters. It's ideal for job seekers applying to dozens, even hundreds of roles in today's competitive job market. One of the standout features is its job application autofill. Aiapply can autocomplete job forms across platforms like LinkedIn, Indeed, and company websites, saving you hours of repetitive work. Plus, it now includes LinkedIn profile optimization, AI interview practice, and job tracking dashboards, giving you a full suite of tools to manage your job search from start to finish. In terms of pricing, there's a free trial with limited applications, and paid plans start around $19.99 per month, going up to $59.99 per month, depending on the features you need. It's not cheap, but if you're applying to high volumes of jobs, or aiming for competitive tech, marketing, or consulting roles, it could be a worthwhile investment. The interface is clean, the AI outputs are impressively accurate, and most users report a noticeable increase in callbacks and interview rates. Still, like any AI tool, it's not perfect. You'll want to double-check everything for tone accuracy and personal touch. So, is Aiapply worth it in 2025? If you're job hunting at scale and want to save time while boosting your chances, it's definitely worth trying.